Hi guys, I have one more video to do for you tonight, and I got this box in the mail over a week ago, and I just hadn't had time to do an unboxing yet, and I'm not exactly sure what's in it. I think I know, but I'm not sure. So we're gonna open it and find out. Okay, let's see. It'll be a surprise for all of us, because I'm just like not exactly sure. Oh, this is what I thought it was. Oh yeah, this is what I really thought it was. I know you guys can't tell what it is right now. Magformers. And these are the Magformers with the wheels. I absolutely love Magformers. If you are a parent with kids, or if you're a teacher, or anybody that works with kids, has kids, these are absolutely the greatest things. You can use them for math, you can use them for science, you can use them for about anything you want to use them for. I don't know if you're hearing that noise, but it's a motorcycle going down my street, and it's really noisy. It's actually two of them. Oh, awful. Sorry about that. I don't know if you could hear that. That's why I quit talking. So, yeah, these are my Magformers. And I got a set. I work in the public school system, and sometimes I use them with my kids, like when we're taking standardized tests and stuff, and they get done before everybody else, and I'll use them, the kids to play with. I've had kids come to my house that play with them and build things, and I will do another video some other time about some stuff that I built and show you some of the things that I actually built with them. So I wanted this set, and yeah, it came off a QVC too. Yeah. Let's see if I can, I don't know if I can pull them out or not. They're all different kinds of shapes, but they're magnets. Oh, whoopsie. See, like, here's two of the shapes. These are purple. I know they look blue in this light, but they're actually purple. And then they have these triangles that are blue triangles and like teal or turquoise. And I don't know if you can see. Let me try this blue one and see if you can see. See the silver pieces? There's one here and one here and one over here. Those are the actual magnets in there. See the silver pieces? That's the actual magnets, and they're floating, and you can put these together and build things, or like this you can use with geometry and teach them about triangles. And you can make three-dimensional shapes out of something flat. And it's really cool. And this is what the rest of the stuff that it came with. Came with all these pieces, and it came with two wheels. That's why I wanted, whoopsie, that's why I wanted this set, because my other set didn't come with wheels. See, here's the wheels. And so there's more triangles. There's purple and pink and orange and fuchsia triangles. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then yellow and green, 13, 14, 15. There's 16 triangles. There's 2 of these little purple I don't know even what you call them. Dome things, half moon things. I don't know what you call them. Like for building the cars. There's 2 of these. They look yellow, but they're really like an apple green. And 2 of these red ones. So that's 4 of these like circly pieces. So you can put them together to make a circle. Or you can put them together and fit these kind of over them some way. Kids' imaginations just run wild, and they can build all kinds of cool stuff with them. And then there's these whole stack of different colored rainbow squares. There's 2 green, 1, 2, 3 yellow, 3 blue, 3 turquoise. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 fuchsia, that's 12. 3 orange, 15. 3 red, it's 18. And 2 purple, that's 20. So there's 20 squares. And 4 of these funky little triangles. So that's 24 pieces. 2 of these. That's 26. The 2 sets of wheels, that's 28 pieces. 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 44. 44 pieces. And they're so cool.